Easter. What's up, you guys? So today we are going for an Easter weekend getaway in a $1 million house in Malibu that we booked through Airbnb. It is a new Malibu home with amazing views. It is a Bohemian inspired house that offers a serene retreat with breathtaking ocean, mountain, and canyon views. It is a 2-story house nestled in a 0.39 acres of lot that features a private swimming pool with heated jacuzzi and a 4,500 elegantly appointed living space. So I think enough of the talking right now. Let's hit on the road and go for an Easter weekend. What are you doing there? As always, I'm going to take you to this adventure. Let's go! And we have arrived. It is such a beautiful place here. Very beautiful. Look at that. I'll show you the view. It's beautiful. Give Zach's toy. Give it to baby Zach.
Wow! Thank you. Say, what did you say? What was?
So baby.
Baby Zach.
So cute.
Oh, give this one to Lance.
Happy Easter.
No, that's a blue imuha, oy. Oh, happy Easter later. Love.
Asa exhaust fan diri dong?
Dara mo yun?
Hain.
Wow!
Usa kanindot. Oy. Swaki na lang gid nato.
Yan, tama na. Panga, tinola, barbecue, Zaki boy.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, Saya!
Sup? Say hi. Good morning. Let's see. It's getting warm. Happy Easter. We're going to do egg hunting later today. Hello, Lance! Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Hoy! Where's Anpa?
Kiss, Agma!
Happy Easter! Easter egg hunting time! Okay, let's go!
The dinosaur here! Go find the egg! Go find the egg!
We'll get the egg!
Lance!
Right there!
Lance! Oh! The egg's here, not there! Here. Come on, find the egg!
Go get the egg!
Where's more? Hurry up, baby!
Oh, right there, right there! Go turn around to the playground! Oh, Lance got a golden egg! Aya got everything!
Wow, come on, hurry up!
Wow! How many eggs is that, Zizi? Go get it! Help! Oh, there's a golden egg here! Zizi!
Yeah, she got a golden egg! Yay! Huh?
Nothing? Supposedly you're going for an egg hunting! What are you doing? Go! No. Who got the golden egg? Show me the golden egg! Did you get a golden egg, Zizi? Oh, here! Congrats! Oh, Aya got the golden egg! Woohoo! Oh, here!
Here.
Okay, another golden egg! Oh, give that golden egg to Aya.
Wow! Congratulations!
Woohoo!
Wait.
Oh, go get it.
Zia, don't cover this one. Ano lang?
Congratulations!
What's that? A dinosaur egg? Easter egg?
Dinosaur egg.
Oh, it's Easter egg. What color is that? Are you holding?
Oh, orange.
Oh!
Wow, it's for you.
It's for me? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! It's pool time!
Yeah!
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Bye, Gamba!
Yeah. I've been in the pool since this morning and I love it. Well, who doesn't like this kind of view? Look at this one. Surely is a lazy Sunday. I think we all need this kind of day. Just be lazy. We went out for a walk. It was beautiful. Go! Faster, Zizi! Faster, Zizi! Faster! Oh, oh. Bye!